Hey guys, welcome to MidwestSouthern.com. My name is Mandy, and I am the author and creator of Midwest Southern. And today I have something fun to talk to you about. I am first and foremost a mama, and sometimes as moms, we don't really think about ourselves, and I know that I have been guilty of that for quite a while. So I decided, since it's my birthday month, that I am going to do something for myself. So I have partnered with FabFitFun. What? To help with treating myself for once. So I thought that I would open the box here on my YouTube channel for other moms out there that might be in the same boat and needing to treat themselves for once. So let's get this opened. If you don't know, FabFitFun sends you awesome full-size products that are valued almost, I think this box is valued around $2.95 or something. Like, it's almost $300 worth of stuff that I got for much of this. So a normal box is $49, $49.99, and you get about $300 worth of full-size products that you probably wouldn't want to spend on yourself normally, and they're great products. But if you stick around, I will have a coupon code to get you $10 off, making that box $39, and I'll give you my affiliate link as well so you can get that discount. So make sure you read below on this YouTube channel, and you'll be able to treat yourself. So, have that fun. Let's open it up, shall we? All right. It is beautiful on the inside as well as out. So, FabFitFun always has a little magazine, and I think they have different lifestyle tips and tricks in here, as well as like workout ideas and things explaining all the different products that they sell and that come in your box. So that's pretty cool. Also, HelloFresh, if you have not tried them, which we love HelloFresh, especially for this time of the year when we are super busy in our house, there is a discount for you. So that is right up on top. I'll open up the pretty packaging and just see all these beautiful things. Again, full-size products. The box is packed. And it's actually really heavy. I noticed that when I picked up the mail yesterday. This box is heavy. So let's start from the biggest. So this excites me because we battle the flu and cold, and I was thinking, why have I not jumped on the essential oil bandwagon? Because I feel like those would really help us right now. So Unplug is partnering with FabFitFun this time around, and there was a choice. There was like 3 different choices, and I chose the diffuser because I've looked at those other essential oil places, and their diffusers are like $70. So this is pretty cute. It goes with, I mean, any kind of decor. It kind of looks like that dinosaur. My kiddo would love that. I'm not saying that too loud because you'll hear it. Yeah, I think this one lights up different colors, and it comes with a little essential oil to try. This one's called Happy. I believe it's citrus. So I'm excited to use that because Mama has been wanting one of these, and I don't want to pay $70 for something that I'm not sure I'll love. But I think I'll like it. So there we go. That paid for itself right away. So next product I see is a little bling. The Two Bandits, thetwobandits.com. Designed with love in San Francisco. So that's a cute little, just a neutral bar. It looks like there's a little stone in there. know if you can see that. I'll put it on later. But now my leg's bling and I need some new bling. I have been not doing that. Dr. Brandt's No More Baggage. I do puffing gel. I need that. But you can see. I need that. Mama needs that. Because moms don't sleep the way that they should. So I'm excited to try that. IV puffing serum from Dr. Brandt. Okay, hair care, leave-in conditioner. Owie. I don't know how to say that. But a leave-in conditioner for your hair, full-sized again. So that's pretty exciting. I just had a notification on there. Daily Detoxifying Massage Brush from Daily Concepts. So this is exciting because swimsuit season is coming up, so a little exfoliation does not hurt, right, ladies? I'm excited for that. Again, full size everything in here. Okay, again, spring and summer and fun. FabFitFun. What are these? What do you think they are? Australia. They are some really cute, fun aviators, and Mama needs these because I have one pair of sunglasses and they're expensive, and I don't want them to get scratched up. So this is perfect to have as a second set, and you can just feel that these are like pretty high quality. They're not like cheapies. They're not cheapy Walmart ones. They do make my eyes look a little buggy, but they're really comfy. I can definitely see myself driving around with this, so that's fun. Okay. And I'm excited for this. Champagne charcoal scrub. So it kind of goes along with this. I'm gonna open this up. I've heard that this smells amazing. So we'll see if that is a correct analogy. And you know what? I'll just stab it right there. It does. It smells. It does not smell like charcoal. It doesn't smell like champagne. It smells a little, what's the word? Maybe florally, but not too florally. I'm excited. That'll be fun. So a champagne charcoal scrub. It's pretty exciting. And it's huge. How many ounces? 18.34 fluid ounces of this stuff. So I'm gonna have fun with that. We're going on vacation to the beach eventually, so that will be great for getting prepared for that. Last and not least, whatever. Last is Giada De Laurentiis, some measuring spoons, and I'm in my kitchen, so that is so fitting. I'm always losing measuring spoons. I don't know if you are in the same boat, but I definitely am. So those are pretty cute. They're kind of coppery, which will be great in my neutral colored kitchen. So those are cute. I mean, they're pretty big, but I can just put them in a drawer somewhere. So awesome, you guys. FabFitFun. All these cute little things came in this FabFitFun box, and I waited till this morning to open it because I wanted you to get my real reaction and not something rehearsed. So, you guys, I'm excited. Be sure to go down below this video and get a discount code, and make sure to click on my affiliate link. Yes, I get a little bit of money, and I mean a tiny, tiny bit if you use my referral link. Again, but this is something that I really need as a busy mom who doesn't treat herself, and you might be in that same boat. So FabFitFun, click below on that link to get your own and use my code SPRINGLOVE for $10 off your next purchase. So you guys have a great day and be blessed. And again, FabFitFun, MidwestSouthern.com.